Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a property in West Ajijic, and this one has some Mexican character to it, but with modern amenities. And I think it's a fairly new build. I really like it, especially the second floor. The bedroom on the second floor is so beautiful, and you're literally like 5 steps away from the common area pool. This is a very nice property. So yeah, I think that you could do probably rentals on the second floor if you wanted to. You just have to put a way to get up there, like a staircase. As most of you may already know, some of you may not, that rentals in the gated communities are very rare to be able to do short term. Most of them are 6 months or more. So just keep that in mind. If you're coming down here to shop around, most gated communities are 6 months or more for rentals. But if you are outside of a gated community, you can do whatever you want with your property. All right, before we go check out this property, I need to let you know about our bed and breakfast and our cafe. The cafe, El Gato Feo, is open to the public 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. every single day. We serve organic coffee. Been in business for 7 years now, 6 years now, since 2018. So what is that, 7 years? Yeah, 7 years. And the bed and breakfast has been in business, it's Estrellita has been in business for 18 years. My mother-in-law owned it before we came down and took it over, and about 6 years ago. And we have added ACs to every room, new mattresses, streaming TVs, safes, ensuite bathrooms, reverse osmosis drinking water. It comes with a hot breakfast every day, daily housekeeping, and it's a little bit historic, you know. My mother-in-law did a fantastic job of choosing the color pattern and choosing the tile, and we try to, everything we update, we try to keep up with her style, because it was perfect. People love to stay with us. It's got that Mexican charm, you know, like it's just a lot of color everywhere. So to get to these businesses, you can visit my website, therealamandaturner.com, where you can find a link to the bed and breakfast, the cafe. You'll also find a link to Lake Chapala's MLS, where you can browse homes in the area. And then if you scoot on over to the contact form, you can fill that out and hit send, and it'll go straight to my email. So we can start a dialogue on either buying property in this area, listing property in this area, or you can book directly through me via that contact form for Estrellita's bed and breakfast. Or you can just go to our website and book there, whatever you like. Okay, let's go check out this property. This home is listed for $310,000 US. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom on 2 levels. Construction size is 139 square meters or 1,496 square feet. The lot size is 323 square meters or 3,477 square feet. The HOA is 2,000 pesos per month. It comes partial, well, it's listed as coming partially furnished, although it's there's not too much furniture in here, so I would say it comes unfurnished. And it's located in Las Catarinas in West Ajijic.
Si vas a zapatear, hazlo con mucho esmero. Si vas a zapatear, hazlo con mucho esmero. Llegaron las bailadoras y ellas llegaron primero. Llegaron las bailadoras y ellas llegaron primero. bailar arriba de esa tarima. Yo no me atrevo a bailar arriba de esa tarima. Con esas bailadoras que vuelan con cada rima. Con esas bailadoras que vuelan con cada rima.
Here's the home that we're checking out in this video. It is located right here. And like I said, it is just a few steps away from the community pool. And look at all this grassy area. If you had dogs, you could take them out there if you wanted to. I mean, I don't know the rules on that, but I would assume that you could totally use that if you had puppies, you know? Okay, so let's check out this gated community. It's actually relatively small. I would say there's maybe 30 homes in here, but it's basically just this, a little bit over here, and then all of this right here. So that's kind of nice. And all right, let's zoom out to see where we are. We are in West Ajijic. So you are literally walking distance from Pancho's grocery store. Pancho's has a lot of Costco goods and they import a lot of things from the United States. You are paying import prices. Just keep that in mind. A lot of people come down here and they're like, oh my God, it's $10 for a box of Velveeta macaroni and cheese, which is like my favorite macaroni and cheese. And it probably does cost that much. But so basically what happens is you go to the border, you pick up these things. Let's say it costs, I don't know, $4 for a box of macaroni and cheese in the United States. And you have to pay the equivalent or 50%, I believe it's 50%, at the border for that item. And then they have to mark it up a little bit to make some kind of profit on it when they sell it to you. So yeah, that box of macaroni and cheese went from $4 to $10. And that's something that people need to understand when they come down here, that your U.S. goods are going to be much more expensive than your local goods. So it just kind of depends on how you shop to what your monthly expenditure on groceries will be. So let's zoom out a little bit more so we can see what's going on. So your shopping's right there, and you have some restaurants right over here, a couple of small ones. Nothing to write home about, but they're good. And you have Paso 30, good restaurant. You also have Casa Linda, which is right here. And then through this neighborhood here is actually quite a bit of really good restaurants. The Shanti is delicious and it's beautiful. What else do you have around here? Well, there's quite a bit over here in West Ajijic. And West Ajijic is full of gated communities. So all of this is new development through here, most of it. All of your plumbing, your electrical, all of that is going to be new infrastructure. So that's kind of nice about West Ajijic. And then your restaurants that are opening up through here are going to be beautiful. All right. What else can I tell you guys? And then you're maybe like a 5 or 10 minute drive into San Juan Cosala, which is known for its thermal water spas. And you have Thermal Cosala here, which is probably the most popular because it's affordable and it's right on the lake and it's all one level. So it's easy to walk around to the different pools with different temperatures. But the best one is Monte Cosala. When you go up there, it's so beautiful. The decor is so nice. You have Chaclan restaurant in there too, and then all of these are like dipping pools throughout here, but you do have to climb some steps to get to each one. And then you have this cold water infinity pool right here too. This is located within the Racket Club, so all that geothermal water that's happening in San Juan Cosala, they've taken full advantage of that and opened plenty of thermal water spas. So that's kind of nice about being in this area, that you skip traffic through here and can get right over into there. And then to get into Ajijic is maybe like a 10-minute drive too, so that's kind of nice. To get to Ajijic from this house is a 9-minute drive. To get to the thermal water spas is a 7-minute drive. To get to Pancho's from this house is a 1-minute drive, or you could just walk and it'll take you 4 minutes, but that depends on, you know, what kind of grocery haul you're doing. If you're doing a large one, you're going to want to drive. To get to San Antonio Hospital from this house is a 14-minute drive. This is your largest hospital in Lake Chapala. It has many more options for if you needed like a little bit more extensive hospital care. If you need something like surgery, I would recommend Guadalajara. But yeah, that's there in case you need it. And to get to Guadalajara International Airport from this house is a 46-minute drive. All right, guys, that's it for today. That's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed this round of videos. I hope you guys have an excellent weekend. Next week, we've got a new round of properties, and I think I'm going to do another frequently asked questions video because you guys added some comments on my video, my last video like that. So we're gonna do something like that. Oh, and then you guys are requesting videos of the town too. Like maybe I'll just do some walk around or go to restaurants. I did that in the beginning of my channel, but I haven't done it in a while. So, cause I mean, there's a lot of properties for sale, you know, I'm trying to show them to you. So anyway, I will try to get that done next week and I will see you guys then. Bye.